Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how you can exactly delete a story on Instagram. So let's jump right in. For test I make a new story, just tap on story, then to make a new stupid story with this icon and post on my story. So two ways how you can delete your story. From your home page, tap on home button at the bottom left corner, and as you can see under your photo you will see this circle. This means you posted Instagram story. So you can tap on story here and tap on more and then tap on delete. And second way, from your profile, tap on profile picture at the bottom right corner, and here you will see this green circle. This means you already watched your Instagram story. Just tap on profile icon and at the bottom tap on two little dots, more says, and then tap on delete and proceed tapping delete. So, and here as you can see now, if you see plus icon, that means you deleted your Instagram story.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.